Hey guys, thanks for watching. This is a 2019 Honda Pilot with the VMI NorthStar E conversion. We're going to do a little walk around demonstration and show you all about it. I'll point out any items on the vehicle's condition as we walk around. But this is the EX model, so you got fog lights there, cloth interior, nice alloy wheels. So this is a step up from the LX model. And then the one above this would be the EXL, which would add leather and a few other options. Overall, vehicle's in really great shape. Been well maintained. There's just a little bit of wear, scratches, kind of on this rear bumper in a few places here. But overall, good paint on the car. The Honda Pilot is one of the only converted vehicles that has a towing hitch. So Honda rated the original vehicle at 3,500 pounds. So you've got good towing capability there, or you could put a little attachment rack on the back for bikes and things like that. Good tires all the way around. And then you've got a little door ding here. Okay, so the way this works is we open up the front door just as we normally would. And then this door back here, they actually at the factory did a reverse hinge door. So we open up the handle by pulling that here, and that opens up. So that gives us an unobstructed entryway here with no B-pillar. That B-pillar actually became part of the door now here. So there's a huge hinge that they had to install in order to make all that work. And then of course they added the lower door piece there because this is a lowered floor vehicle. So we have now a ton of opening height here. This ramp works really well. You just grab the stick here and pull out straight and let it go down. So this has about a 12-degree ramp angle here. So as you roll the wheelchair passenger up into the vehicle, you have plenty of room to be able to turn around. And then we have the third row seat back here with 3 seat belts. This footrest comes down, so as you're sitting there, you actually have your feet at a proper height since the vehicle had been lowered so much. And then up front, we have the 2 front seats. This one's kind of unique. It has a power transfer seat that was installed underneath the passenger seat there. So the way that works is you have controls on the side here. You can make the transfer seat move all the way back, and then we can make it swivel around. So the idea is somebody in the wheelchair can transfer out of their wheelchair into the seat here, move themselves back forward, and then you're traveling or riding in the car in a OEM seat, not your wheelchair. So some people prefer that as an option. You just have to be able to transfer out of your wheelchair to do that. Very nice vehicle setup. These started being converted by VMI in 2017. This is a 19 model, and it has a lot of technology and features and things like that on there. You have your touchscreen up top, and then your 3 rows of climate control. You also have heated seats up front here. So overall, very nice vehicle. This ramp, you just step next to it, pick up, and slide in. So that works really very efficiently because it's using rollers and it's an aluminum ramp. So it's very straightforward to be able to close. So overall, nice vehicle. I'll go ahead and check out the back here. We have a backup camera back here. There's a manual tailgate here. And then these seats do fold down. So you get a little bit more cargo room that way. You've got your wheelchair tie-down straps there. And then just a small cargo area there. Overall, nice little vehicle. Feel free to let us know if you have any other questions or comments. We'll get these in infrequently. They made them from 2017 to 2019. We love the Pilot here for that tall, aggressive look and lots of ground clearance. So shout out goes to Levi and Leah, our #1 fans. Thank you so much for watching.